stop looking at myself.
I'm saying that's what this
She
is all
killing them with
about,
this
right?
one. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make content about a little bit of everything. I do little commentary, I do videos about my hair, I've done videos about my makeup, I've done videos about my tattoos. I've literally tried it all at this point. And if that's content you think you'll enjoy, feel free to stick around. And if not, you just like my vibe, just subscribe. You asked and I shall deliver. So we're gonna do some easy lock styles. I have lock extensions and they are pretty soft, but my natural hair is softer, and I understand that they're gonna act a little different. If you have like medium to long locks, these are styles for you, but you know yourself best. So first and foremost, you're going to prime your hair, maybe do your edge. Oh Lord. If you're anything like me, you're going to want to prime your hair first, which includes doing your edges. And I do have a video that's coming out about that real soon. You're just going to have to stay tuned for that one. I would just like to say these aren't my own hairstyles. I'm just sharing them with you. And this is inspired by Maya Grant on TikTok, so go definitely check her out. She does a lot of lock content as well. And these styles are just easy go-to styles. You're going to need some headbands, the ones specifically that don't have a separation in them because they won't break. These are the ones you're looking for. I don't know specifically what they're called. I think they're called like stocking scrunchies. I'm not sure. I don't even know why I just lied like that, because I mean, I think I heard it one time, but yeah, I'm not sure what they're called. I got them for about, if I'm remembering right, $2 to $4, like in between there, for like a pack of 6. For more details about these, they're in my very first hair store vlog, so you can just head over and go check that out after this video. And those are the
6
easy lock styles, some of my go-tos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can continue to make content you'll come back and enjoy. That's gonna be it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.